TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices in the green. Dow Jones up 161 points, trading at 24,426. S&P's positive by 11, trading at 2658. And the NASDAQ positive by 21 points, trading at 7,063. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets with 2 hours left to go until that closing bell. So most of the markets pretty dramatically off the highs we had for the session. They're all in the green, but we were much higher. Let's start it off with the Dow Jones 30. At about 11:30 and noon, we were up approaching 24,600, and we're a solid 200 points below that level as the market's kind of been trailing off, currently trading 24,387. And of course, we'll get those non-farm payrolls tomorrow morning. Market waiting for that announcement, definitely. NASDAQ 100 also off the highs of the session, so we're up there at 6640, and we are a solid 52 points currently off of that level. Nothing to look away from for sure. S&P 500. Let's get that chart up. We'll get back in here, get into the indices. US 500 daily. Load that chart up, because that's a dramatic one as well. S&P 500's up there at 2672. We spike all the way down to about 2650, and from there we're up a bit, 2656. Natural gas, we had the EIA numbers coming out 10:30 a.m. this morning. We've pulled back about 4 pennies from that level. Inventories coming in at a decline of 29 billion cubic feet. Estimates are about a decline of 26 billion cubic feet, so nothing too dramatic, but the price declining nonetheless. Crude oil with some volatility today. We spike up to a high of 64.11 before retreating a bit, 63.39 in crude. There's our natural gas as well. And let's pull it up Bitcoin, because Bitcoin having some volatility as well. As we pull up Bitcoin, they have their weekly spreads. Let's pull up that chart, trading at 67.07. We spike up this morning to a high of 69.23 before pulling back a bit. And it's Thursday. What Thursday is it? Thursday, the start of the Masters. Like checking in on that leaderboard as the day is just beginning. You got Leishman in the lead at -3. 66-year-old Vijay Singh in there at -2. Tiger Woods, unfortunately, where is he? Let's find him. He is at +2 on the day. Let's go, Tiger. We want to see him on Sunday. Phil Mickelson starting it off with the birdie. Stay tuned. David White coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour. Stay tuned, folks.